Aditi, so is your academy's name also, She Kicks. It's very powerful. And it creates a positive vibration, even for the youngsters, When someone says She Kicks, immediately there is a spark which comes in. So how did you come up with such a lovely name, which is, very, very different and, which is, to the point?
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. I think I don't know how it came up. When I was thinking about the names for the academy, this is the first name that struck to me because I felt it shows both. It can be used in both the senses. Kicks, matlab obviously the football को आप जैसे मारते हो तो football kick करते हो वो part. But it also covers the other aspect, which is that with every kick to the ball, you're also kicking the prejudice, just stereotypes away. So I think it served dual purposes. So I just stuck to the name. That this was the first name that came to my mind, and I think it works perfectly for what I'm trying to achieve with this initiative.
So you have gone abroad to do your higher studies in sports management. Now that you have come back, you wanted to open exclusively for girls because women takers for football is very less these days. Right. So how is that? That you took again one more bold step in coming forward and opening up exclusively for girls.
जी, तो जैसे आपने बोला मेरा पर्पस बाहर जाके पढ़ाई करके स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट पढ़ना वाज टू कंट्रीब्यूट बैक टू द स्पोर्ट दैट हैज गिवन मी सो मच. ऑब्वियसली तब इतना पता नहीं था कि क्या करने वाली हूँ मैं उसके लिए, कैसे कंट्रीब्यूशन करने वाली हूँ, बट मुझे ये पता था कि दिस इज व्हाट आई एम पैशनेट अबाउट. स्पोर्ट्स इज व्हाट आई एम पैशनेट अबाउट एंड स्पेशली फॉर वुमेन. दैट्स आल्सो समथिंग दैट आई हैव ग्रोन टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांगली एसोसिएटेड विद. तो मैंने मतलब वो इतना तो नहीं सोचा था कि एकेडमी खुद का शुरू करूंगी बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम अ मिलिट्री बैकग्राउंड. तो मेरे घर में कोई बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड नहीं है. मेरे पेरेंट्स, माय डैड इज इन गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज, सो आई डिडंट नो बैक देन. बट जब मैं वापस आई, ऑब्वियसली फ्रॉम द एक्सपीरियंस हियर ऑफ प्लेइंग इन इंडिया एंड प्लेइंग अब्रॉड, आई रियलाइज कि इंडिया में कितना पोटेंशियल है विमेंस फुटबॉल का. अगर उसे सही तरीके से निखारा जाए, उस पर काम किया जाए, इन्वेस्टमेंट किया जाए, तो बहुत कुछ है ऐसा जो हम अचीव कर सकते हैं इन इंडिया. So that's how I came back, and I thought कि rather than waiting for someone else to do something about women's football, कि ऐसा कुछ initiative शुरू हो, मैंने सोचा कि why don't I take that first step or take that initiative. I'm sure, I mean I know there are a lot of other roles, other people, other women who are doing incredible work in terms of women's football contribution and advancement in India. But I thought कि as a player, as a current player, and from the experience that I've gained, मेरी भी responsibility बनती है कि मैं भी कुछ contribution करूँ अपनी तरफ से.
Because everybody starts on their own name. I'm sure, like when you say Aditi Chavan ka academy, definitely there is a pull, and this has definitely got a pull. So how many coaches do you have, and what is your philosophy of your club, and how are you doing it, taking it forward, because you're based on it daily, right, as of now?
Right. Yeah, right. So like I said, जो मैंने शुरू किया, because I don't come from a business background, I wanted to start small. I wanted to see I wanted to learn from small experiences and slowly grow them bigger. Right now we have one academy in Gurgaon, which was the first center, but this lockdown period has given me more time to sort of plan the future, plan the steps going forward. और hopefully जैसे अभी हमने एक online program शुरू किया है, because of the current situation obviously we can't do the sessions on the ground. तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि rather than जो एक momentum build हुआ है women's football के बारे के लिए इंडिया में, उसको यूज करना चाहिए, वो मोमेंटम कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए. इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि यही प्रोग्राम जो मैं सेंटर पे करती हूँ, वही चीज को हम ऑनलाइन लेके आए और बेटर करके ऑनलाइन लेके आए, सो दैट whoever, like even in my post I mentioned कि बचपन से ही मुझे whatever I've done, I wanted to be the best at it. Maybe obviously starting में नहीं हो पाता, but I have this desire to be the best, to get the right knowledge, whatever it takes, do the hard work to become the best of in whatever capacity I can. So इसलिए मैं ऑनलाइन लेके आई। बहुत कुछ जो हमने सेंटर में सीखा सेशंस के बारे में, हाउ टू डील विद द किड्स, व्हाट रियली द नीड अमंग द गर्ल्स राइट नाउ, तो वो चीज को सब कुछ कंपाइल करके हमने एक ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम शुरू किया, व्हिच इंक्लूड्स एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम ऑब्वियसली फुटबॉल ट्रेनिंग, but also a lot of emphasis on nutrition, strength and conditioning, and a lot of leadership वाला aspect भी मैं लाना चाहती थी, because I want the girls, the whole purpose of this was कि sports के through एक strong personality बन सके लड़की, तो इसलिए ये online program मैंने शुरू किया which has all these aspects, but obviously this is open for all boys and girls.
That's nice. And what about your coaching education? Because you have done your sports management. What about your coaching education?
So
what have you planned to do and what have you completed?
अभी तक मैंने अपने कोचिंग बैचेस तो नहीं करे हैं, बट मुझे करने हैं डेफिनेटली फॉर माय ओन नॉलेज, अगेन फॉर समथिंग दैट आई एम श्योर आई लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम। तो अपनी नॉलेज की, अगर मैं कोच नहीं भी बनूं तो एटलीस्ट मेरी नॉलेज के लिए वो कोचिंग बैचेस करना चाहती हूँ मैं। बट हमारी अकेडमी के लिए वी हैव AFF लाइसेंस्ड कोचेस, वी करंटली हैव पार्ट टाइम कोचेस हैं हमारे पास 3, जो कि ऑल लाइसेंस्ड कोचेस रखे हैं, but like I said, we've collaborated with the people from experts and professionals for strength and conditioning, nutrition and these leadership lessons to provide the best overall sort of program to the kids.
I think you had been as a goalkeeper position itself is a struggling position, because whatever happens, the person who gets blamed is only as the keeper, right?
Ji.
And even in your life also, you have come across various struggles. Like first your dad wanted you to become as a tennis player, but
Ji.
you chose to become as a basketball. Then you went into athletics, where you were good at shot put, you were good at disc throw, and then later on you selected football, and that also as a keeper, whereas your heart always wanted to play as a striker. So how did you do this?
I think every goalkeeper wants to be a striker, because stardom or recognition ज़्यादा strikers को ही मिलती है when they score goals. But then slowly, obviously, I realized that मेरी जो qualities हैं, that is best suited for a goalkeeper. जो मेरा बास्केटबॉल का बैकग्राउंड था, जो भी मैं डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स खेलती थी, उस सब में ऑब्वियसली बहुत बार ऐसे प्रैक्टिस मैचेस में मैंने स्ट्राइकर भी खेला है, ट्राइड डिफरेंट पोजीशंस, बट आई फेल्ट कि माय बेस्ट इज इन द पोजीशन ऑफ अ गोलकीपर, सो इसलिए आई स्टक टू गोलकीपिंग. But over these years, I've also realized that it's not easy to be a goalkeeper, and the reason why a lot of people don't choose this position is because not everyone can actually play this position. It's such a I mean, जैसे बोलते हैं कि तुम 1000 सेव कर लो, लेकिन एक गलती होगी तो लोग वही गलती याद रखते हैं. So how it's so mentally challenging. It's a lot of pressure, a lot of responsibility. And you need a different characteristics, a different personality to be a goalkeeper, to be in that commanding position, to lead the team from the back and inspire the whole team. So I think all of those qualities, I felt I can really help the team in that position, and that's why I stuck to goalkeeper.
So we were discussing about the Asian Games, which is again been allotted to India, and how was your last year experience in the Asian Games? Because we had a very tough time those earlier days, and back from that, how is the team looking like now?
So we've been given the rights to host the AFC Asian Cup, not the Asian Games. But I think it's a great opportunity. Yeah, but I think it's a great opportunity, क्योंकि हमने जो, जैसा मैंने बोला, एक momentum जो हमने build किया है towards of women's football in India, बहुत सारे supporters, a lot of people. Now you also know that there's so much talk about women's football right now. इतने सारे webinars, इतनी अच्छा मीडिया कवरेज मिल रहा है, there are a lot of supporters बढ़ गए हैं women's football को, तो एक अच्छा momentum build हो गया है. And I think it's a great opportunity, obviously with the Under-17 World Cup happening next year, and then the AFC Asian Cup. It'll be a great opportunity and a lot of responsibility on us as players of the national team कि we put up a good performance. क्योंकि अगर हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि women's football has the potential to qualify for the World Cup before the men's team, now this is the time to prove our point. So हमारी responsibility और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है इसमें. एंड आई एम श्योर कि जो हमने जो एक्सपीरियंसेस अभी हमने पिछले 2-3 सालों में जो मिले हैं, एंड आई एम श्योर AIFF ने प्लान किया होगा फॉर द कितने हमें फ्रेंडलीज खेलेंगे, इंटरनेशनल मैचेस खेलेंगे, टूर्नामेंट्स खेलेंगे, जिससे हमें और एक्सपीरियंस मिले, so that we are a tough contenders. Obviously Asia में भी teams बहुत tough है. We are currently ranked 11th in Asia, so it's going to be challenging, but I think with the right I think all the players are up for it. सब लोग अपनी preparation अभी से start कर दिया. For me, I was just waiting for something like this because of these uncertain times. But I'm sure that if all the players are very motivated, and we will work very hard to perform our best.
So, in your team, basically, because you being the goalkeeper, there might be, some players who will not listen to you during the game situation or off the field. Off the field, okay, you could manage them, but during the game, does it not, the type of irritates you, or do you, show your anger on them? How do you manage such situations?
I think अगर आप में जो खेलते हैं प्लेयर्स उनके साथ उनसे पूछेंगे तो उनको आपको पता चलेगा कि it's not possible to not listen to me. I will find your ear off अगर आप मेरी बात नहीं सुनोगे तो, and that's how you have to be as a goalkeeper. You have to get the players to do what you want them to do. So for me, my personality, I think that also helps me a lot क्योंकि if I want to get something done, I will make sure that it's done. So I have not faced that kind of issue. Obviously, कई बार होता है जो मैं ज़्यादा, because I naturally get very aggressive when I'm on the pitch. I'm a very competitive, so I want to win all the time. So I become very demanding of my players. So sometimes it becomes a little bit of थोड़ा झगड़ा वगड़ा भी हो जाता है, but it's all on the pitch. So everybody understands me now because we've been playing for so many years. They understand where it's coming from. It's only on the pitch. I don't take any of that off the pitch. So I think the players are used to me now, and that helps.
And which was your unforgettable moment as a keeper?
Ji. I think abhi, I mean, obviously every time you put on the India jersey, it's a memorable, it's an honor. But I think recently जो हमने AIFF championship जीती थी नेपाल में was really special to not just me but to the entire team. मतलब मैंने पहले भी सारे इंटरव्यूज में वो मोमेंट और वो सेलिब्रेशन का मेंशन किया है because we were a very young team. I think the average age of our team was 21, and we didn't have a lot of our senior players. It was only Asha Lata and I who were the senior players, and when Nepal had come to India for the Four Nation tournament, and they beat us. So we were very angry about it because we knew we were better than them. We just didn't perform the best on that day, and we had a point to prove in their home ground in front of their crowd, and Nepal ka crowd. So I don't know. I mean, I'm sure you also know it's crazy about football. So I remember it was a packed stadium, and warm up के time पे हम पे bottles भी फेंकी जा रही थी. मेरे सर पे भी warm up के time पे bottle लगी थी. But that really motivated us, and we had a very strong emotional team meeting before the game, and everybody was all fired up or pumping to go, and that's why we could see it on the pitch. And the scoreline was also 3-1. I remember we were leading 2-1. 2-0, and we conceded one goal, and thoda sa, that motivation dropped a little bit. And that was the moment when Asha and we really pumped up the girls, and we said, hoga, kaise nahi hoga, we will get out of this with the championship, with the trophy, and that really, I think, rubbed off on the other teammates also, and we won 3-1, and it was really special. If you see the videos of our celebration, you would know what it meant to us, because we were there to prove a point, and we did, and we won the championship back for our country.
So how about the IWL? Because I think you played for Rush, and then you later on played for Gokulam, which again you all won the IWL. So congratulations on that. So how was between Rush and Gokulam?
I think it's very different. दोनों के अपने, because obviously different years में हुआ था. That was I think couple of years back जब मैंने राष्ट्र के लिए खेला था, and this year was Gokulam. The whole club setup was different. Obviously, Gokulam being an I-League club, they had that professional background. They knew how to get the best out of players. They provided us all the facilities more than we asked for. So I think overall the experience at Gokulam was something really, really special for me. And I'm like, again, I'm very, very grateful that they chose me to be a part of their team and to help them win the championship. But overall, I think it is improving. The only, like, I wouldn't compare the two because it's completely different club. बट मैं ये बोलूंगी कि उस साल से इस साल तक बहुत ज्यादा डेवलपमेंट, बहुत ज्यादा चेंजेस हुए हैं. But obviously we still have a long way to go, and hopefully मैं तो बस यही चाहती हूँ कि और ISL और I-League clubs अपनी टीम बनाए women's football की and help us professionalize this game even more to take it to the next level.
And what do you think as a goalkeeper, what is the most challenging? Because some say, like for example, a striker, they would say, I would like to dribble the ball and then beat the goalkeeper and then score. So you as a keeper, which you think is the most enjoyable moment that you like? Oh yes, I'm up for it. I'm just waiting for this moment. So is there anything like that on the ground?
For me, I love one-on-one situations. That is something that, again, a challenge. Who's better? Who's gonna win in this battle? So I enjoy one-on-one situations, and I've made a lot in these past, and I've improved a lot in this one-on-one situation. I think it's all about the confidence. You have to read the striker, उनका वो क्या कर सकते हैं इस situation में, how is he taking the ball, which side. So there's a lot of that comes with experience. Again, in this position में, you get better with experience, with age, and that's something that I enjoy. And also, I think something that I'm not, not very comfortable या जिसमें मैं और better होना चाहती हूँ, वो है crosses, which is again like a challenge for me. जो कि I know that I'm not the best at that, but I always try to work on it because I want to keep getting better at it, and that's why in every training session I make sure with the national team I make sure that we get some crosses in चाहे beginning में हो चाहे last में हो, whatever the session is, उसके बाद में या पहले मैं जरूर crosses करती हूँ because I don't want to be afraid of it anymore. I don't want to just उसको पीछे नहीं डालना चाहती कि यार ये नहीं आता तो आप छोड़ देते उसे. मैं उस पे काम करना चाहती हूँ. I want to get better in every situation.
It's the role of a goalkeeper coach who gives you the instruction, or during the match, of course, the head coach also gives you. But do you speak to your goalkeeper coach comparing to your head coach, or is it mutual that you have like?
मैं अपने गोलकीपर, मैं रजत सर, मतलब अभी जो प्रेजेंट हमारे नेशनल टीम के गोलकीपर कोच है, मैं रजत सर के साथ बहुत ज्यादा इंटरैक्ट करती हूँ. आई डिस्कस एवरी सिचुएशन. Even for before a match, during the warm up also, I like to interact with him. कुछ चीजें ऐसे normal ऐसे fun बात भी करते हैं, something that I need to work on, या how am I feeling, what are the things the few pointers that I should keep in mind. He gives me a feedback after the warm up a little bit, just to motivate, just to keep my mindset right for the match. तो बट मुझे पसंद है वो इंटरैक्शन करना, हर चीज को क्वेश्चन करना, उनसे और नॉलेज गेन करना. बिकॉज जितना आप क्वेश्चन पूछोगे उतना ही आपकी नॉलेज बढ़ेगी, उतना ही आपका एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ेगा. तो मैं काफी पसंद करती हूँ ये चीज डिस्कस करने का. एवरी मैच के बाद भी जब हमारा एनालिसिस होता है उसमें भी हमारे जो एनालिसिस वाले सेशंस होते हैं उसमें दैट्स ऑल्सो वेरी इंटरैक्टिव. कभी कोई पॉइंट ऐसा भी होता है, सो एंड आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट दैट ही टेक्स इट इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव वे. ही ट्राइज टू हेल्प मी, गाइड मी बेटर कि if he is suggesting something, why is it, and I love that, क्योंकि मुझे जानना है if he is saying that this is better in this situation, I want to know why. And similarly in practice sessions also, अगर कोई टेक्निक बताते हैं कि इस सिचुएशन में ऐसे टेक्निक यूज कर सकते हैं तो वो करके बताते हैं, and that is what I really enjoy. And then he leaves it to my judgment. What do I feel is better? जो मैं कर रही थी या what he suggested. So then I take that decision, and that really, works for me. I want to take that decision, take that call, because ultimately I'm the one who's going to be playing in the match, and जो game situation होती है, that's completely different from training situation. So ultimately, like I said again, वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग कोच और प्लेयर के बीच में बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. बट ये मतलब टेक्निकल गोलकीपर से रिलेटेड जो होती है वो बात मैं ज्यादा रजत सर के साथ करती हूँ. बट ओवरऑल टीम का परफॉर्मेंस एंड व्हाट्स वर्किंग फॉर द टीम, व्हाट्स नॉट वर्किंग फॉर, अगर मेरा ऐसा कुछ डिस्कशन करने की जरूरत पड़ती है तो मैं वो मेमू मैम के साथ भी करती हूँ.
Thank you, Aditi, and wish you all the best for your future competitions with this line.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And all the best for your she cakes, huh?
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.